It might sound the same pag hindi mo siya face value, but for me, achievement is something that is tangible, something that you can measure. Meron siyang guide, meron siyang number that you basically want to get. An example of that is yung mga binigay last time was they wanted to reach a certain weight number kasi gusto nila magpapayat. May nagsabi na they sinabi last time about financial stability. What does that look like? So these are, achievement is basically something tangible and measurable na sabi ko, make me number to what you want, which is your what. Now, success is different. Success is the state of being, meaning it's the pursuit of why. It's the clarity of why you do whatever that is.